Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olisa Gift. Returning subscribers, welcome back. New subscribers, welcome. Today I'll be showing us the oil I use on Saturdays and on my wash days. So this oil is a blend of herbs and three different oils I use on my hair to moisturize it and make it less frizzy, to moisturize my hair. So before I actually take down my braids or whatever I have on, I actually put them in my hair for at least 30 minutes to an hour. These herbs are, you can get them from the comfort of your house, or even in the market. It's so easy to get. So they are clove, rosemary leaf. The dry one is dry one I can get, so I use rosemary leaf, black seed, and hibiscus. We all know it as zobo here in Nigeria. Zobo leaf, that's what hibiscus is. Hibiscus leaf, zobo leaf. After mixing the oil and herbs together, I leave it for a week or two, or even 3 weeks, depending on if I have a supply. If I don't have a supply, 1 week, 2 weeks. Put it in my hair for 30 minutes to an hour before I finally wash it, or I add my conditioner to just condition my hair. So watch.